Hello everyone. Today we are going to use Happy WooCommerce plugin to show FAQs on shop page, cart page and checkout page. So let's start by going to the settings page of the Happy WooCommerce plugin. We will enable FAQ in shop page, cart page, checkout page. Click on Save Changes. After that, we will add a new FAQ. Now after writing the FAQ, we have to choose from display in pages, shop page, cart page, as well as checkout page. Click on publish. Now we have to visit the store to see the particular FAQ. Here in the shop page, it is already showing. For cart page and checkout page, we have to use shortcode like WooCommerce_cart for cart page, and for checkout page we have to use shortcode WooCommerce_checkout, and then we have to click on cart page. Here it is already showing, as well as checkout page. It is showing at the bottom of the checkout page. We have many special features in each version of our Pro plugin. Don't forget to watch them. Thank you.